If your roof has a crack in it, it can lead to numerous problems. The most noticeable is the leak then can form from a crack. As rain seeps into the crack, it can eventually drizzle through your ceiling and into the floor below. The leak can also lead to mold problems in your insulation. The need to replace ceiling drywall or tiles and other types of damage. You need to fix your roof immediately. The good news is that it is fairly simple to repair a crack in the roof. Safely climb up on the roof using scaffolding or a sturdy ladder. Locate the crack in the roof by inspecting the tiles or other surface. You use the visible leak inside to locate the general area. But remember that water can travel horizontally before it is apparent inside. Once located, you can commence repairs and stop leaking quickly. This compound is very sticky and typically black in color. Dip it out with a trowel and spread it over the crack a 1/4 inch thick. It looks like a mess, but it will seal the crack very well. Dip it out with a trowel and spread it over the crack a 1/4 inch thick. It looks like a mess, but it will seal the crack very well. It looks like a mess, but it will seal the crack very well. Make sure you spread the mastic over the entire crack and add some extra beyond the edges of the crack to ensure a good seal.